Hey everyone, imagine creating cinematic scenes, dynamic camera shots, and scroll stopping visuals, all powered by AI video technology and without expensive camera gear or a film crew. In today's video, I am introducing you to Higgsfield, a powerful and emerging platform that many creators are calling a free AI video generator and one of the cheapest AI platforms for producing cinematic style visuals. Whether you are a YouTuber, reel creator, filmmaker, or storyteller, Higgsfield AI lets you turn simple ideas into stunning video style scenes in minutes. Let's see how it works. Today, in this video, I will show you how to generate cinematic scenes using Nano Banana Pro, generate immersive audio and voice using Kling 2.6 audio, and create highly stylized video shots using WAN 2.5. And I will explain why each model is best suited for that specific job. First, we are using Nano Banana Pro. This model is great for generating high detail cinematic visuals with strong lighting, depth, and realism. That makes it perfect for YouTube B-roll, storytelling visuals, intro scenes, and dramatic cutaways. Now let's try this prompt. I'm giving a prompt cinematic wide shot of a traveler standing on a cliff overlooking a futuristic city at sunset, dramatic lighting, ultra detailed film look. Now you can click on generate. Look at the depth, the lighting, the environment detail. This doesn't look like a simple AI picture. It looks like a frame from a movie, right? And that is why Nano Banana Pro excels here. Because it excels at visual richness and cinematic composition. Exactly what you want when you're creating high impact scenes. Now what we'll do is we'll try story visual with mood. We'll still use Nano Banana Pro. Now let's try a storytelling shot. I'm selecting Nano Banana Pro and I'm giving a prompt. Moody close-up of a detective in a dim office, rain outside window, noise lighting, cinematic shadows. Now this type of visual is perfect for crime stories, horror narrations, podcast visuals, and audiobook backgrounds. So you can see the output generated. Again, Nano Banana Pro handles mood, lighting, and cinematic realism extremely well, which makes it ideal for narrative creators. Now we'll move to the next stage and try the Kling 2.6 audio, which is adding voice and atmosphere.
Further. Come on it.
Now visuals are powerful, but sound is what makes content immersive. That's where Kling 2.6 audio comes in. This model is great for generating realistic voiceovers, atmospheric sound, and cinematic audio layers. Let's say we are turning our detective scene into story intro. Now I'll give a script that it was the kind of night where secrets didn't stay buried, right? And what I'll give is to generate an audio. The model is Kling 2.6. And we can also add background ambience like rain or subtle city noise.
It was the kind of night where secrets didn't stay buried, and some truths are darker than the rain outside.
So we'll now switch on to the next model, which is WAN 2.5. Now let's create something more dynamic and stylized. WAN 2.5 is excellent for stylized motion visuals, expressive scenes, and creative camera-like movement effects. I'll give a prompt over here. Now imagine combining everything. Nano Banana Pro creates the cinematic environment. Kling 2.6 audio gives you the atmosphere and voiceover for the scene. And WAN 2.5 adds stylized motion feel. You now get a YouTube intro scene which feels like coming straight out of a film studio, built entirely with AI. If you are a creator who wants to make their content look more cinematic, immersive, and professional, Higgsfield AI is the tool which you are looking for and should surely try out. Try experimenting with the Nano Banana Pro for cinematic scenes or the Kling 2.6 audio for adding voiceovers and atmospheres and environment, and WAN 2.0 for stylized makeovers of cinematic motion, and start building scenes that truly stand out.